Well, folks, I'm sorry here today. RV Ernie Lee channel. We're taking the old lock cylinder out of the door here. Give you guys a peek inside. Lock cylinder is coming out. It's already popped out. I had to pop the holding bracket out, which is what I just set that at. Yeah, I'm laughing at myself. Where did I just set that at? Oh, there it is. I had to pull this piece out. That's what locks the cylinder into the door. Now I gotta get like a flathead screwdriver, I do believe, to pop this piece off of here. Looks like maybe, I don't know. Let me see. I'll be back with you shortly here, folks. And I'm going down to get another lock cylinder from AutoZone. But then again, wait a second. Hey, let's make life easier on yourself. Okay, I don't know if you folks can see this right here, this piece. We do something. I'll be back with you guys in 2 seconds. That piece right there, I'm gonna do something. Oh shoot, heck, that was easy. Let me show y'all. This thing was easy to take out. Just slid this off of here. Just pop that little lip out of the way and slide it off the arm. Now I'm gonna go down to AutoZone. I shall return, folks, with the next process of the install of the new lock cylinder on the Jamboree. Brought to you by RV Ernie Lee channel. Peace, folks. Be back with you. Okay, we're back with the lock cylinder piece. We're gonna put it on. I'll show you how to put it on. How to put it in the hole. That doesn't sound right. How to put it in the hole. First, we're gonna put this piece on here. Just like that, folks. Good as new. Then you slide it back in here like this. Oh yeah, that's beautiful, huh, folks? Now that's how you put a lock cylinder in. Wait a minute, folks. We got to put the inside part in. But I'll do that real quick and then I'll show you how this works. Oh yeah. Drop the metal piece. Sorry, got a fish around the door. Taking a little longer than expected, but that's alright. Ah, beautiful, beautiful. All right. Can we get a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Watch this. Oh yeah.
What?
Oh yeah. Watch it again. Lock, unlock. Oh yeah. Beautifully done by the RV Ernie Lee channel and my beautiful wife Tanya. Thank you. Well, I hope you liked that project. I hope you learned something. And remember to enjoy life and enjoy the free world. And never take a moment for granted. And always stay unplugged. Peace.